Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So is your connection blocked after timeout? In TeamViewer, well, don't worry, I'll show you the fixes. So guys, firstly, let us discuss why this happens. So this error usually means TeamViewer thinks you're using it for commercial purposes, which is prohibited, or you've hit the free usage limits. TeamViewer restricts access after a session ends if it detects frequent or long connections. So first, the simplest fix, just wait for 15 or 30 minutes. After that, the block may lift automatically just by itself, letting you connect again. Okay guys, and now this takes us to the fix number 2. So you just need to open your registry editor and navigate to this path. I will most likely have it missing because I don't have the app installed. Yeah, my app is not installed, so I can't access it. In your case, you will be able to access this. And just basically delete this key. So for example, if I go here, as you can see, this is just a random part of my registry. So you just choose this field, sorry, not the field, the folder, right? So the path. So as you can see, we'll have this TeamViewer. It's going to be like a folder, and then you just right click and delete right over here. Also guys, you can try deleting the folders. So you just go to here, so C drive. This is where your operating system files and program files are stored. Program files, TeamViewer, or if you have it under the x86 folder, then navigate there and delete this folder. So it's going to be either on the first or the second path, and then just reboot and reinstall the latest version of TeamViewer. Alright guys, and now the final fix is going to be trying to reset your free use. So for this guys, just type in on Google TeamViewer request reset, then click on this commercial use suspected, and after that scroll a bit down, and as you can see, go to TeamViewer to go to this page. And now guys, as you can see, you will be able to reclaim your free version. For this, just log in into your account, and then you will get the steps. And that's pretty much it guys. Try these fixes and let me know which one worked for you. And of course, if this helped, press like on the video, subscribe, leave a comment, and click on the notification bell to not miss the fresh uploads. See you soon.